Well, hello everybody. Danny and Wanda back from Pecan Grove. We thought we'd give you a nighttime tour of Pecan Grove because Pecan Grove now has come to life. Now we're looking at Miss Wanda's courtyard. Has the solar lights on it. Stays lit up at night. This is the citrus high tunnel. It's got it all lit up now. The citrus trees are in there, all snug, ready for cold weather when it gets here. This is our pump house where we put our wonderful sign from Grower Solution on it that says Pecan Grove. It's another angle of the courtyard. It's a really nice big courtyard. This is one of my favorite places to come and sit out here and just enjoy the swing and enjoy the atmosphere of looking out into the woods and just chilling out. This is what we call Pawpaw's Place. This is where we have the mill to make our cane syrup. We have the vat furnace back here behind us, and we have the hoist system up here where we skin our deer and our pigs and all that kind of stuff. It's just a place I just enjoy being. This is a sign that my daughter and her husband Rusty made for us. And this is our high tunnel. We now have the string lights in the top of it and everything. Guys, it is a wonderful place to come in at night and walk through the vegetation and all in there. It just brings peace to the soul. You come in here at night, it's like going into a Garden of Eden.
This is my little greenhouse.
This is Wanda's world.
Yeah, I guess I should have Wanda's world written in here.
Yeah, look at this. Isn't that wonderful? And it's not full yet. We got a little bit more to go. I got to put some trays in here.
But it looks amazing, and things are. I have a couple of little tomatoes in there on the tomato plant, so we'll see.
And here we have the prepper shack. Oh, this is where all the magic happens. We have the walk-in coolers, and we go inside and we have all the facilities to do all the meat processing and just tons of other things that we do in there. And here we have all of our chickens and the chicken tractor. And here we have the infamous, epic, beyond epic smokehouse where all the magic happens. We thought we'd just take y'all on a quick nighttime tour around Pecan Grove now that we're living the dream. Good night, guys.